In this short video tutorial, we will learn about the while loop in the C programming language. In the previous tutorial, we discussed about the for loop. When we use the for loop, we have an initial value and we have a final value, and we keep running the for loop until we reach the final value. The while loop, on the other hand, the while loop on the other hand is a conditional loop. So it's not a counting loop. Like for loop is a counter loop. So we count from certain value up till a given value. But while is not a counting loop. It is a conditional loop. So it runs until and unless the condition becomes false. So till the condition is true, the while loop will keep executing. So let's write a small code to see how we can use the while loop in our C program. So I've started by including the stdio.h header file, and I've created the main function. In the main function, I've created a variable a, and I have given it an initial value 0. So I'll write a while loop which says while a is less than 10, printf %d a equal to a plus 1. So what we are doing here is we have created a while loop and we have given it a condition that it should run till the value of a is less than 10. So this is the condition that drives the while loop. This curly bracket up till the ending curly bracket. So this marks the body of the while loop. So the code that has been written inside these brackets will execute till this condition that has been given here is true. So once this condition becomes false, the control will shift outside the while loop and the while loop will stop its operations. So the initial value that we have given to the variable a is 0, and the condition is that the loop should run till the value of a is less than 10. Therefore, it becomes important that we increase or decrease the value of the variable a so that the change can take place and we have some basis to evaluate this condition. So in order to change the value, we have written a line inside the body of the while loop, and this line increments the value of a by 1 every time. So this loop will run till the value of a is less than 10. So let's run this program and see the output. Now the output of this program is it has printed from 0 till 9, because after 9 the value of a becomes 10 and this condition becomes false and the control goes out of the body of the while loop. Now before I end this video, I want to make one thing clear. You might think that even when we are using the while loop, we are initializing the value, we are checking the condition, and we are doing the increment operation. So you might think that this is similar to the for loop, but the while loop is not at all similar to the for loop. The while loop runs on a condition. It does not care of the starting value or the ending value of something. It only cares about the condition. In this example that I have shown, we have taken the variable integer variable a and we want to run the loop till a certain number, so till the value of a is less than 10. But while loop is not aware that that variable a has been initialized and that some increment and decrement operation is taking place inside the body of the while loop. The while loop only cares about this condition and it will run till this condition is true. So with this example, you might feel that the while loop is similar to the for loop, but the for loop is a counting loop, but the while loop is a conditional loop. So it runs till the condition is true. So please keep this in mind. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete C programming course, please visit openeschool.com/learnc. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we post.